The Olympic Games. A graded reader, Level A2. Introduction, the spirit of the Games. The Olympic Games are the biggest sports event in the world. Every 4 years, athletes from almost every country meet to compete. They want to win gold medals and show their great talent. But the Olympics are more than just a competition. They are a symbol of peace and friendship between nations. This is a story about the history, the hard work, and the magic of the Games. It is a journey from the ancient past to the modern stadiums of today. Chapter 1: The Ancient Beginnings. Long ago, the first Games started in ancient Greece. The year was 776 BC. The event was in a beautiful place called Olympia. In the beginning, the Games lasted only 1 day. Later, they became a 5-day festival. Athletes were only men, and they competed in sports like running and wrestling. They did not win money or gold medals. The winner received a simple crown made of olive leaves. This prize was very important because it showed honor. During the Games, all wars between Greek cities stopped. This was the Olympic truce. The people wanted to celebrate the gods and the human body in peace. Chapter 2: A New Dream. For many centuries, the Olympic Games did not happen. The ancient tradition ended, and the stadiums became quiet. Then, in the 19th century, a French man had a great idea. His name was Pierre de Coubertin. He was a teacher who loved sports and history. He believed that sports could make young people stronger and better. He also wanted to bring different countries together. The world needs to talk through sports, he thought. In 1894, he invited people from many nations to a meeting in Paris. He started the International Olympic Committee, IOC. He worked very hard to organize the first modern Games. He believed that taking part was more important than winning. Chapter 3: Return to Athens. In 1896, the first modern Olympic Games took place in Athens, Greece. It was a historic moment for the whole world. The people of Athens built a beautiful stadium with white marble. 14 countries sent their best athletes to compete. There were only 9 sports at that time. Athletes competed in swimming, cycling, tennis, and gymnastics. The most famous event was the marathon. A Greek runner named Spiridon Louis won the race. The Greek people were very proud of him. When he entered the stadium, the crowd cheered loudly. The modern Olympics were a success. A new era of sports history started that day. Chapter 4: The Life of an Athlete. Now, let's meet a modern athlete named Leo. Leo is a fast runner from a small town. He started running when he was only 10 years old. His big dream was to go to the Olympic Games. To reach the Olympics, Leo had to work very hard every day. He woke up at 5 o'clock every morning to practice. He ran in the rain, in the cold, and in the hot sun. Leo ate healthy food like vegetables, fruit, and chicken. He did not go to parties with his friends because he needed to sleep. His coach was very strict but also very kind. "You have the heart of a champion, Leo," his coach said. After years of training, Leo finally received a letter. He was officially part of the Olympic team. Chapter 5: The Olympic Village. Leo traveled to the Olympic city with his teammates. When he arrived, he went to the Olympic Village. This is a special place where all the athletes lived during the Games. Leo saw people from Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas. He heard many different languages in the dining hall. Everyone was friendly and excited. Leo sat at a table with a swimmer from Brazil and a gymnast from Japan. They shared stories about their homes and their training. In the village, there are no borders or enemies. The athletes are like one big family. Leo felt very happy to be there. He realized that Pierre de Coubertin's dream was real. The Games were truly bringing the world together. Chapter 6: The Opening Ceremony. The first night of the Games was very special. It was the night of the opening ceremony. Thousands of people sat in the big stadium. Millions of people watched the event on their televisions at home. Music played loudly and the lights were very bright. First, all the athletes walked into the stadium. Each country had a person to carry its flag. Leo felt very proud when he saw his country's flag. He walked with his team and waved to the crowd. Everyone cheered and clapped their hands. Then, a famous athlete carried the Olympic torch. The fire was bright and beautiful. They lit the big Olympic flame in the stadium. This flame burns during the whole competition. It is a symbol of the light of spirit and knowledge. The ceremony was like a big party for the world. Leo felt ready and excited for his race. Chapter 7: The Big Day. The morning of the race arrived. Leo went to the stadium early. The track was blue and very clean. He did some exercises to warm up his muscles. He drank some water and talked to his coach. "Remember your training," his coach said. "Stay calm and run your best race." Leo looked at the other runners. They were very fast and strong. He felt a little bit nervous, but he was also happy. The referee called the athletes to the starting line. The stadium became very quiet. The spectators waited for the start. Leo put his feet on the starting blocks. He looked down the track. He saw the finish line far away. His heart beat very fast in his chest. He waited for the sound of the gun. Chapter 8: The Race of a Lifetime. Bang! The race started. Leo jumped forward with great power. He ran as fast as he could. His legs moved like a machine. He felt the wind on his face. At first, he was in third place. A runner from Jamaica was very fast and was in front. Leo did not stop or slow down. In the middle of the race, he moved to second place. The crowd was screaming and shouting his name. "Go, Leo, go," they cried. Leo reached the final 50 meters. His lungs were tired, but he did not quit. He used all his energy for the final sprint. He crossed the finish line and closed his eyes. He looked at the big screen in the stadium. Leo was the winner. He won the gold medal for his country. He fell to the ground and laughed with joy. Chapter 9: Gold, Silver, and Bronze. After the race, there was a medal ceremony. Leo stood on the podium in the center. The runner from Jamaica was in second place. He won the silver medal. The runner from Canada was in third place. He won the bronze medal. A woman put the gold medal around Leo's neck. It was heavy and very shiny. The band played Leo's national anthem. He looked at his flag and felt tears in his eyes. He thought about his parents and his small town. He thought about all the hours of practice in the rain. The other runners shook his hand. They were happy for him. In the Olympics, respect is very important. Even if you do not win, you are an Olympian. Winning a medal is a dream, but finishing the race is a victory too. Chapter 10: The Olympic Symbols. The Olympic Games have many famous symbols. The most famous symbol is the 5 rings. The rings are blue, yellow, black, green, and red. They represent the 5 continents of the world. The rings are joined together because they show friendship. The colors are special because every national flag has at least one of these colors. There is also the Olympic motto. The motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius. These are Latin words. They mean faster, higher, stronger. Recently, the IOC added a new word, together. This shows that we are better when we work as a team. Modern games also have new sports. Now, we can see skateboarding, surfing, and climbing. The games change with the world, but the spirit stays the same. Athletes still want to do their best and be fair. Conclusion: the torch continues. The Olympic Games ended with a closing ceremony. The big flame in the stadium went out. Leo went back to his home with his gold medal. His town had a big party for him. Children looked at his medal and felt inspired. "I want to be an athlete too," a young girl said. The Olympics show us that dreams can come true. They show us that we can live together in peace. In 4 years, the world will meet again in a different city. New athletes will train hard and run fast. The story of the Olympics never ends. It is a story of hope for the whole world. The end.